Hey guys, today I'm making chicken malai. Start by adding your chicken into a bowl, then add in the turmeric, ground cumin, garam masala, curd, and if you don't have it, can't find it, don't want to use it, and don't want to make it, you could always substitute for a thick coconut cream or yogurt. Add in the ginger and garlic, cashew nut paste, salt, green chili, and fried onions. Mix together well. Then cover with a lid or a piece of cling film and allow it to marinate for 1 hour. In a pan on high heat, add in the oil, followed by all the chicken. Mix it well and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Add in 1 cup of water, mix it well and allow this to cook on medium heat for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn. When the cooking time is up, mix it well, then add in the cream as well as the chopped coriander. Mix it well and adjust the seasoning, then simmer on low for about 3 minutes, and it's ready to serve with your choice of rice, roti or naan. The reason I use the chicken fillet is because my kids like to eat it with mini rotis, like a little taco. And enjoy! Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.